Luckily I'm living in China, so that's why I have purchased this Xiaomi 17 Ultra, because right now it is only available in China, and I have purchased the basic variant which costs 6,999 Chinese yuan in China. And this is the receipt I have purchased online, and in dollar it would be like $980 something, like $1,000. Alright, so yeah, when I purchased this, also it comes in this box. And there's one more thing, they have given me this water bottle. I haven't unboxed this, maybe I do and show you how it looks, but really nice to see something comes with this Xiaomi 17 Ultra. Okay. Oh, looks pretty nice, easy to carry, and I think this is a stainless steel bottle. Okay, I will keep this. Alright, let's do unboxing of Xiaomi 17 Ultra. There are some brandings on front, and over here they have mentioned what color and the storage and RAM. Let's unbox. Okay, so first we check. Okay, so this is the 100-watt charger designed by Xiaomi. Okay, type A to type C charging cable. Got it. And what's this? Oh, maybe some paperwork and the yep. Okay, SIM injector tool and some papers and this transparent case. Not bad, not bad. Okay, we will try. And here's our phone. Okay, the color is amazing because of they have put some texture on the back. Very nice. So on the back it's plastic, you can hear, right? But the frame is aluminum. Wow. Logos over here, Xiaomi, and over here you can see Ultra, and the camera model is huge, but holding it's not a problem. Okay, let's turn on. Cool. So you can see the buttons. In previous models they have put the long buttons, but this time it's rounded. And on top there's nothing, no IR blaster, no mics. The mics should be over here, I can see one. And on bottom there's a speaker, type C charging port, mic, and the SIM tray. I wanted to see how many SIM we can put together. Okay, 2 SIM cards. Got it. Alright, so look at the display, it looks pretty good. Yay. And the fingerprint sensor is over here. See the animation, amazing. And you can do lots of customization and personalize if you wanted to change some wallpaper, animate it or anything. I have did some, if you see, right? And if, for example, if I wanted this one, just I have there are so many pictures in the library, you can pick. Wow, nice. And you can see the bezels are very minimal, so that's why the display looks bigger than usual. I think the first impression is very nice. Holding it in one hand, it does not have too much weight. But one thing, if I shake the phone, do you hear this? Because there's a motor for moving the lens. So this device comes with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is a little powerful than Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 4, but still it is the latest chipset, and really happy to see Xiaomi 17 comes with this. And this is a 12GB RAM variant, but you can also expand the RAM 6GB from the storage. And the battery is 6800 mAh, and the screen size is 6.9 inches. Looks pretty good, right? Big. And the front camera is 50 megapixel, and back they have two 50 megapixel and 200 megapixel. Let me show you the camera, guys. Oh, see, so this is 0.06x, and when you go to 2x and then 3.2x, this is the optical zoom, 8 millimeters, 90 millimeters, and then 4x. It is not a big changes, you cannot see, but if you are taking picture of a real person, then you will see the difference, and I will show you in my full review, not now. Okay, so you can zoom till 120x. Okay, 120x, it's huge. And the video is like 4K 30 fps or 120 fps if you wanted to record the video in 4K, and it also offers 8K but in 30 fps. Wow, I think 4K is enough. 60 and 120 fps, great. Oh, did you see the difference in Pro? This is a Pro, like a Pro in taking pictures, like a, photography, and this is the normal photos. And when you switch to Pro, you will have so many features. Wow. Okay, so this is 200 megapixel, this is 75, 85 millimeters, and 100 millimeters. I cannot see the differences, but definitely there's a difference when you take a photo of a person. Alright guys, that's it for today's videos. It was only the unboxing and the first impression, but I will do the full review in the next video. I need I think a day to do the full review, and I will share with you maybe a day later. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe and like the video, and make sure you will watch the next video. Thanks.